Now we are going to solve question number 5.38, and in this question is actually related to death well. Clear? Definitely you have some you have definitely visited some fairs and where you find death well. Clear? Where we can see a hollow sphere chamber with holes so that spectator can watch from outside. Clear? So this is a question related to motion in a vertical circle. Clear? So in this question, let us try to understand this question. You may have seen in a circus a motorcyclist during in vertical loops inside a death well. Explain clearly why the motorcyclist does not drop down when he is at the uppermost point with having no support from below. So first let us try to understand this motion in a vertical circle. Clear? I can say, let's suppose this is center. So I can say center is given to you, this is O. Clear? And let's suppose here we have motorcyclist. I am just denoting this motorcyclist with this one. Let's suppose you can assume this is a block. Now let us try to analyze which are the forces acting on this block. I can say here we have force mg. Clear? We can also say here a normal reaction force is also exerted by this spherical shell on this motorcyclist. Clear? Because it is having certain speed. So I can say if we talk about motion with respect to motorcyclist, at the time we can say here a centrifugal force will also act, that is normal outward direction, and this is given by mv square by r. Clear? So now I can say mv square by r, this is given by r plus mg. Clear? mv square by r, this is given by r plus mg. Clear? So now we can say why there is no need of any supporting balance. So we can say there is no need of supporting balance because this centrifugal force that is acting on that motorcyclist, it is balanced by the reaction force plus weight of that motorcycle. Clear? Or it means we can say that let's suppose we want to find minimum speed of that motorcyclist so that it will not drop down. I can say, let's suppose if we take here reaction force equal to 0. In this case I can say mv square by r, it should be equal to mg. Clear everyone? So we can say m and m is cancelled out and v square, this is given by rg. Clear? Or we can say v is equal to under root of rg. Clear? So this minimum speed that is required at the topmost point of a vertical circle. Clear? So now I can calculate, because in this question it is also asking minimum speed that is required when radius is given 25 meter. So I can say v is equal to 25 meter and multiplied with, we can say, that is 10. Clear? So this is equal to 250 meter per second. Clear? Now we know 225, we have 15, square root of 225, 15. So approximately I can say this is 15.5 meter per second. Clear? So this is the minimum speed, this is required so that we can see that motorcyclist can perform, or we can say motorcyclist can complete the circular loop in a vertical circle. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear to everyone?